Okay, today we have set up here a bore number G18 Jig Grinder. We have vacuum attachment set up on it, and we have a quick drawer bar on the top. And let's see here, we'll start up our, this is your grinding spindle with the turbine. It works on the air. That's it right there running. And we're going to start our head to rotate. There is a slight oscillation there, depending on how you set it inside. And then our travel up and down. So that would be, you can adjust the speed here. We shut off our air compressor so that it doesn't disturb the video, so once this thing gets too low on pressure, right now it seems to be fine. So you have this movement here, and of course when you unlock the main head you have force adjustment of the slide, and you can lock that in. Here you've got different adjustments for your air pressure. The slides are moved manually with the hand wheels. These are locks. I have the apron off the machine right now. We do have the apron, but we just cleaned it up a little bit, and for the photos and video, we left the apron off. Machine runs on 220 volts AC. That would be 3-phase. Nice condition, very clean, very quiet, as most of these machines are. You can see the way surface here. Hydraulic hoses on the top here are all nice and neat. It's actually a nice color machine. You have your adjustment, down feed adjustment in here, your operating stuff. This is all run on air. That's pretty much it. I don't believe this is a quick change. I think this is your spindle drive up on the top here. Don't engage much while motor is running. So yeah, this motor up here is what's actually rotating the spindle. That is electric.